Hello and welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how you could use variables with strings. So let's go ahead and create a simple variable. So let's say we create a variable called name. So let's say var name, which is going to store name of a person. So let's say my name is ABC. So we declare the variable name and store the value ABC into it. Now in order to display this name onto the browser, you simply use document.write and you simply display the name by typing the variable name, which is name, into this, and then you save the code and open up the web browser, and you could see that ABC pops up. Now let's say you want to display that okay, ABC is my name, that is, the name is your name. So for doing that, you need to display the variable first, and let's say you want to display the text, so we write the text in double quotes, that is my name. So let's say you want to display that okay, this ABC is my name, so this name is going to get replaced by ABC, and it is going to, this line of code right here is going to display ABC is my name. But one thing which you need to remember is you need to give a plus sign right after this name so that this variable gets printed up. So if you don't give a plus sign right after the name, and if you simply save the code and execute it on a web browser, you're just going to get a blank code here. It is not going to display anything, and that is because you have not included a plus sign after the name variable. So if you include a plus sign and save the code, and then if you execute it on a browser, you are going to get that ABC is my name. Now let's go ahead and create another variable called age. So let's say var age equals, let's say my age is, let's say 30. Make sure that you give a semicolon, and you also want to display your age. So let's say you want to display like ABC is my name and my age is 30. So we add here ABC is my name and my age is, you want to add the age at the end. So you simply type the age variable, and in this case we want to give this plus sign right before the age variable, so you add a plus over here. And now if you save the code and execute it on the browser, you'll get a statement like ABC is my name and my age is 30. So that's how you use variables with statements in JavaScript. So basically we have declared these two variables. The first variable is a string variable, which is used to store the value ABC or the name, and the next variable is the age variable, which is used to store the value 30. And you could also declare 30 without these brackets, and that is because we could store the integer value in a variable without using double quotes. Now even if you save the program now and execute it on a browser, you are going to get the same result as before. So that's how you use strings with variables in a JavaScript code. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.